We're down, different location. I want to fly through there. The sun is really in and out today. Just been a really bad July in general. But I would like to fly through there. We'll have to see how this gets on. Got me ND filters. Let's go for a little fly. Just waiting on the sun. Things they don't tell you about when you're filming. I've been waiting about 5 minutes now. Well, when we're still waiting for the sun, God, this summer's terrible. We're going for the Periscope, Menace, Omni. Hopefully a few more minutes. I've probably been here 10 minutes now waiting for the sun. Oh, we're getting close. I know, we got a fault. Right, left motor.
VTX 400 milliwatts. Armed. Disarmed.
Oh, wrong button.
Pre-arm active. Armed.
Oh, she's not happy. Maybe a wire's come off.
Disarmed.
This might be the problem. I managed to break a wire off. Right, I'll have to go back and quickly solder that back on. Just as the sun comes out. I'm just going to solder the wire on that's broken off. And then let's go for another fly, hopefully. I've attached the wire. Not the prettiest, but we're back on. Do a little quick test. Hopefully it will arm.
Pre-arm active. Armed.
Whoop whoop. All repaired. Let's go for a fly.
Disarmed.
The reason it broke is oh hello. The reason it broke was I flew into my head by accident. I think it got caught up in a bit of grass on takeoff, and it flew and clipped my head. And then my drone is so ghetto at the moment. It's got Darwin baby ape, motors and arms cable tied. Anyway, if you hit it that way, these wires were a little bit short and it just broke it off the board. So there we go. I'll upgrade the motors next month. The things I get up to get some video. There's a lot of bugs in here. Got to the location. We're going over there. Hopefully the sun stays out. There's a massive ant mound out on. Where is it? Absolutely ginormous. There's my foot. Let's take off, see what happens. So just packed up for the moment. I've just been flying. Just to finish the video off, we got back, it all survived. It's so funny, you do all the filming and then when you get to the editing, a lot of it gets thrown away. So the original bit that I filmed, it just didn't look good compared to the other stuff, so it got thrown away. And then I managed to fly into my head, that's how I broke it. I don't quite know what happened. I'm not sure if a bit of grass got caught around. Anyway, I flew into my head. It punched the arm that way a little bit and this is just cable tied together at the moment, temporarily. And it pushed it and then broke the wires. But hopefully you enjoy the edit. Nice cinematic look.